morning to one and all. Today's assembly is conducted by students of class 5th E. The theme for today's assembly is self-discipline. Self-discipline is required to help us live a successful and fruitful life. When you are self-disciplined, you would see that you are doing better in every field. Self-discipline allows us to stay focused on our goals. It's a bridge between goals and accomplishment. So let's pray to God to shower His blessing on us and to enlighten our path. Now today's thought is being presented by Prateek.
Good morning, everyone. The thought for the day is inner peace, happiness, and wisdom are products of a life of self-discipline. Thank you and have a nice day.
I totally agree with Prateek. Self-discipline is one of the most important skills to achieve success and everyone should possess this quality. So let's see how can we develop self-discipline.
Set your goals. The first step towards leading a disciplined life is to set goals. We must set a timeline for our goals. Thank you.
Set a routine. Those who set a routine and follow it daily lead a more disciplined life.
Stay positive. Many people want to inculcate self-discipline but are unable to because they somehow believe that it is difficult to achieve. But you can achieve anything in life if you stay positive and believe in yourself.
Stay away from distraction. In today's world, there are numerous things that can distract us like mobile phone, TV and several chatting apps. In order to practice self-discipline, it is important to stay away from these distractions. Now I invite Priya to recite a Hindi poem.
कविता का शीर्षक है आत्म अनुशासन की महिमा। अनुशासन में बंधे हुए हैं ग्रह उपग्रह और तारे। अनुशासन की सीमा में हैं बंधे हुए जड़ चेतन सारे। अगर समय से सूर्य न निकले, दूर न होगा अंधियारा। कैसे जीवन मिले जगत को, कैसे हो फिर उजियारा। अगर समय पर चांद न निकले, शीतलता न मिलेगी। चारों चंद्र की चंचल किरणें फिर कैसे सुख देगी। एक नियम से घूम रही है धरती प्यारी प्यारी, तभी टिके हम एक जगह पर टलती उलझन भारी। वृक्षों से फल नीचे गिरते, कभी न ऊपर जाते। विद्या पाकर गुणी पुरुष हैं और नम्र हो जाते। यह है आत्म अनुशासन की महिमा, भूला इसे मत देना। इससे शिक्षा लेकर अपना जन्म सफल कर लेना। धन्यवाद।
Thanks, Ria, for this beautiful poem. Now Ritik is going to recite an English poem.
The title of my poem is Self-Discipline is the Genesis of Success. It is composed by Dayanandan. Self-discipline is the bridge between yourself and your goals. Self-discipline is the true secret to strengthening souls. It teaches us to operate by principle rather than desire. It helps make our efforts persistent with a blazing fire. It enables us to transform raw talents into professional skills. It helps us condition ourselves so we can easily run up hills. Self-discipline enhances the very foundation of our lives. It will save us from the perils of fate-sharpened knives. Every successful professional knows that self-discipline is the key. For self-discipline will help you surpass your limits to reach your destiny. Bruce Lee, Tiger Woods and Lionel Messi polished their raw talents and skill. Through self-discipline and determination, they made it to the top of the hill. And those are just a few of the many successful professionals we know today that have used self-discipline to change their circumstances and light the way. Use self-discipline to hone your skills and accelerate your progress, because self-discipline is truly the genesis of success.
Wow, what an inspirational poem. Thanks, Ritik, for motivating us. Now, let me invite our class teacher, Divya ma'am, to express her views about today's theme.
Good morning, students. The theme of today's assembly was self-discipline. First of all, we should know what is self-discipline. There are two different words, discipline and self-discipline. When you think of discipline, what comes to your mind? Yes, rules. Rules of school, rules of your house. Mama or teacher saying, do this, do that, don't go there, do complete your homework. And rules seem like punishment, right? Why? It is because you are being disciplined by others. Whereas self-discipline is self-imposed. You don't need someone else to tell you what to do. It is an ability to control yourself and to make yourself work hard or to behave in a proper manner. Self-discipline gives you the power to stick to your decisions. It is one of the most important steps in becoming a better person. It is important for everyone, and especially for students it is very much required. Why? Because at this stage, the young minds are fresh and eager to learn. Whatever you learn at this stage, it will become your habit later. When children are young, Mama tell them to brush their teeth, to take bath, to wash hands before and after having food. But as they grown up later, they begin to do all of these things on their own. Now they don't need their mama or someone else to tell them to do all these things. What is this? This is self-discipline, right? So, for being happy in life or to achieve our goals and to be a good human being, we all should be self-disciplined. And with a little effort like setting our routine, removing the things from our lives which can distract us, and by remaining positive, we can easily develop self-discipline among ourselves. So students, be self-disciplined, be happy and be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.